Everyone is calling this a war. Missiles, drones and explosions. But here's what nobody is telling you. Iran isn't just trying to win this war. They're trying to do something far more dangerous. Think about it. When you actually can't win a fight with someone, what do you actually do? You don't punch them. You burn down everything which they care about. That's what exactly Iran is doing right now. They didn't bomb military camps first. They hit Burj Al Arab, Palm Jumeirah on fire. Dubai's biggest airport is shut down now. Saudi's most valuable refinery, Aramco, is in flames. These are not accidents. These places were chosen for a reason: money. Now Iran is telling the world, if you want this war going, fine, but your economy dies with us. And now think about this. America has the best military technology over the planet, and Israel has the most advanced air defense in the world. Iran knows this. Iran has always known this. So why are the Iran even launching the missiles? Because it's never about winning this battle. This is about making the cost of winning the battle so unbearable that the other side starts questioning whether it's even worth starting. And someone is watching all this carefully. Kim Jong-un. He publicly defended Iran against US and Israel. But the reason? He's taking notes, because what Iran is doing right now is exactly the same playbook he wants to use someday. So the next time you see a headline saying Iran attacks again, don't think war. Think strategy, think pressure, think who's benefiting if the world's economy panics, because that's the real weapon here, and that's working.